User experience, UX, applied to human-machine interfaces in biomedical engineering, is a strategic element for ensuring that technological systems are understandable, safe, and aligned with the real needs of the clinical environment. In this context, design cannot be limited to the aesthetic dimension, but must integrate strategy, functionality, and user perception. The experience hierarchy, from defining objectives and functionalities to structuring and visual presentation, allows for coherent development, ensuring that each design decision responds to a previously identified need. In this way, the system not only fulfills its technical function, but also facilitates interaction and reduces cognitive load. Likewise, concepts such as affordances and signifiers become especially relevant by guiding user action through clear and understandable cues. In fact, the correct application of these principles improves usability, understood as the effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in task performance, while also promoting accessibility and inclusion. Furthermore, information architecture structures content and navigation flows to guarantee coherence and clarity. Finally, the incorporation of design heuristics, such as system status visibility, error prevention, and visual consistency, reinforces safety and reliability in biomedical contexts, consolidating a user-centered approach oriented towards technological excellence.